Do you know that 90% of people got this maths problem correct? Like they didn't work it out on the correct way or the way in which it was supposed to be worked out. So we have 6 minus 16 divided by 4, subtract from 4. There are several mistakes that a lot of people did, and maybe because you're watching this, you can also try your own way of doing it, but please don't use a calculator. Just work it out so that at the end of the day you can compare the answers, and you might see that maybe you might fall on the category of those who did it wrong. So I want us to start with the solution. So these ones are how some people worked them out. So in short, we had agreed that those ones are the mistakes that they did. So watch this and avoid making such simple mistakes. Now, so their solution was, they started by working out 6 subtract from 16. And 6 subtract from 16, the answer was minus 10. Then from there, they divide by 4. Then subtract from 4. So that one was the first step. So the next step that they did was that they minus 10 divided by 4, and the answer was minus 2.5. So from there, after getting minus 2.5, then you subtract from 4. So minus 2.5 minus 4, the answer now becomes minus 6.5. So that is our final answer. So when you follow this step, you shall reach with minus 6.5. So the second mistake, that one was mistake 1, and we can all agree that when you follow these steps, this formula will lead you to the wrong answer. So the second mistake that was made was whereby, second mistake, under the solution, this one was picked 6 subtract from 16 divided by 4, subtract from 4. So the first solution, how it was worked out was this way. So this one was missed, so meaning that it was 6 subtract from 16, then divide by. So here was 4 subtract from 4. So 4 subtract from 4, the answer automatically becomes 0. Now where this math problem is as per now, like 6 subtract from 16 divide by 0, this one is automatically, it's a math error. This one is a math error. Even if you use the calculator, no calculator will be able to calculate this type of mathematics. So these ones are the answer that most of them were likely to get or to score. So let's now have the solution to this problem now. So let's have it, the solution. So this is the solution on how we are supposed to work it out. So the question was 6 subtract from 16 divide by 4, subtract from 4. Now this is something that we call the BODMAS rule. So you must always understand the BODMAS rule and check what it means. When working out a problem that has got several operations, like here is subtraction, this one is division, this one is also subtraction, we need to use the order of operation, the order of working it to working this mathematics. So B stands for BODMAS, the BODMAS is not present. O stands for of is not present, then division is present. So we work out the division first. So we shall say, now this one is equals to 6, then we subtract from 16 divided by 4. And the answer is 4. Then subtract from 4. Then finally we end up that all our operations are subtraction. So this one shall be easy for us. We shall just have 16 subtract from 4. We shall get our answer as 2. Then now we shall have 2 subtract from 4. So our final answer now becomes 2 subtract from 4, we shall have 2, and that 2 is minus 2. So our correct response was supposed to be -2, and that is the correct answer by following the correct order of operations, unlike the first one that was got and the second one. So see you in our next video. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.